Hello guys, this is my new channel, The Knowledge Point. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Today we are going to discuss about crystallization of organic compound. Example, estimate benzamide by solvent method. Crystallization. This is a process most commonly employed for the purification of solid organic compounds. The impure solid is dissolved in minimum voltage of a suitable solvent. The soluble impurities pass into solution while insoluble are left behind. The hot sol is then filtered and allowed to cool and dist. Unread till crystallization is complete. The crystals are then separated from other liquor by filtration and dried. The efficiency of the process of crystallization depends on the skills with which it's carried out. Chemicals required: impure substance, suitable solvent. Apparatus required: glassware, china dish, burner, heating plate, and stirrer. The next point is procedure. Following steps are involved in the process of crystallization. Choice of solvent. For a judicious choice of solvent, about some of the solid is taken in the test tube and shaken with a few drops of the solvent. The solvent is unsuitable if whale of the solid goes into solution at room temperature in the solid, dissolves upon heating, and throws out maximum crystals on cooling. The solvent is suitable. This process is repeated with solvents such as water, benzene, ether, etc. till most satisfactory on one is sorted out. Next point is preparation of solvent. A suitable quantity of the solid substance is taken in a conical flask filled with reflexive condenser. A small volume of solvent selected in step 1 is also placed in flask. The quantity of solvent should be enough to dissolve the whole solid on boiling. The heating may be done on a water bath or via gas according as the solvent is low boiling or high boiling. The next point is filtration of solvent on hot. The hot solution obtained above is then filtered through a fluted gilt filter paper placed in ordinary glass tunnel. If the quantity of solution is large, it takes longer and crystals may form in tunnel during filtration. To prevent this, a hot water tunnel may be used. Crystallization. The hot filtrate is then allowed to cool undisrupted in beaker. The pure solid substances separates as crystals. When a rich crop of crystal has been obtained, crystallization is complete. Sometimes crystallization is not done even after a long period of time. So it's done by scratching the walls of the beakers with a glass rod or by adding a few crystals of the pure compound to the solutions. Separation and during of crystallization, the crystals are separated out from other liquor by filtration. The filtration is generally effected under reduced pressure using a beaker tunnel. When the whale mother liquor has been drained into filtration flask, crystals are washed with small quantities of pure cold solvent to remove adhering impurities. Then dry by pressing pads of filter paper. Improve. Crystallization of organic compound. Example, estimate benzamide by solvent method. Chemicals required: impure substance, suitable solvent. Apparatus required: glassware, china dish, burner, beating plate, stirrer, and this diagram shows the whole process. At last, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you guys.